Good morning, everyone. International Day of Persons with Disabilities, observed on December 3rd, is an international observance promoted by the United Nations since 1992. The observance of the day aims to promote an understanding of disability issues. It is a day to help everyone to become more compassionate and understanding of the challenges faced by people with disabilities, as they can be and are very often contributing and valued members of society, and today is all about appreciating them. Disability is any condition of the body or mind that makes it more difficult for the person with the condition to do certain activities and interact with the world around them. Despite all the best efforts at prevention, children may be born with or develop the following disabilities in early childhood from the causes which are not yet fully understood or could be prevented. Some of them are as follows. Visual impairment, also known as vision loss, is a decreased ability to see to a degree that causes problems not fixable by usual means such as glasses. Some also include those who have a decreased ability to see because they do not have access to glasses or contact lenses. The term blindness is used for complete vision loss. Visual impairment may cause difficulties with normal daily activities such as reading and walking without adaptive training and equipment. Hearing loss is a partial or total inability to hear. It may be present at birth or acquired at any time afterwards. It may occur in one or both ears. In children, hearing problems can affect the ability to learn spoken language, and in adults it can create difficulties with social interaction at work. Locomotor disability means problem in moving from one place to another, that is disability in legs, but in general it is taken as a disability related to bones, joints and muscles. It causes problems in a person's movements like walking, picking or holding things in hands, etc. Mental retardation refers to substantial limitations in present functioning. It starts before age of 18 and is characterized by significantly sub-average intellectual functioning, existing concurrently with related limitations in two or more of the following applicable adaptive skill areas like communication and self-care. Then we have children with learning disabilities like dyslexia, which is a learning disorder that involves difficulty reading due to problems identifying speech sounds and learning how they relate to letters and words. Also known as reading disability, dyslexia affects brain that process language. Dysgraphia is a neurological disorder of written expression that impairs writing ability and fine motor skills. It is a learning disability that affects children and adults and interferes with practically all aspects of the writing process, including spelling, legibility, word spacing and sizing, and expression. Dyscalculia is a math learning disability that impairs an individual's ability to learn number-related concepts, perform accurate math calculations, reason and problem solve, and perform other basic math skills. Dyscalculia is sometimes called number dyslexia or math dyslexia. Attention Deficit Hyperactivity Disorder, that is ADHD, is a common neurobiological disorder that can be noticed in the preschool or early grades of school. ADHD affects between 5 to 12% of the population, or about 1 or 2 students in every classroom. It is the most common disorder that coexists with learning disabilities, but is not considered a learning disability. We now have Master James Rodrigues from Standard 10th to highlight the importance of the day.
Good morning everyone. My name is James Rodrigues and I am from Standard 10th B and I would like to highlight on the topic International Disabled Day. International Day of Persons with Disabilities is an international observance promoted by the United States of Nations since 1992. It has been observed with varying degrees of success around the planet. The observance of this day aims to promote and mobilize support for the dignity, rights, and well being of persons with disabilities. It also seeks to increase awareness and gains to be derived from the integration of persons with disabilities in every aspect of political, social, and economic and cultural life. It was originally called International Day of Disability. It also seeks to increase awareness of gains to be derived from the integration of persons with disabilities in every aspect of political, social, and economic and cultural life. It was originally called International Day of Disabled Persons in the year 2007. Each year, the day focuses on different issues.
United Nations International Day of Persons with Disabilities is annually observed on December 3rd to focus on issues that affect people with disabilities worldwide. Many famous personalities who were either born with disability or they met with tragic incidents have made a place for themselves in the world. Their never say die attitude has served as an undying inspiration and motivation for those who have to battle with disabilities. Many of them are legendary actors, sportspersons, politicians, musicians, athletes, artists, and writers. They have chosen a challenging public life with dignity by defying all odds and turning the spotlight on themselves. There are some lesser known people with disabilities whose awe inspiring stories are worth knowing. So, here, let's look into the lives of some of the brave and extraordinary people who are the living legends in their own way and deserve a salute for their indomitable spirit. A theoretical physicist, astrophysicist, cosmologist, and eminent scientist, Stephen Hawking was diagnosed with ALS at the age of 21. He was given only 2 more years to live, but he lived until he was 76 years old. He had been paralyzed from head to toe for over 30 years and used a voice synthesizer to be able to communicate, and a wheelchair that he operated through slight movements of his head and eyes. None of this prevented him from developing his activity as an exemplary researcher and professor, and intense personal life that allowed him to make his illness known to the world. Becoming one of the most recognizable celebrities of our time, his story was taken to the cinema in the film The Theory of Everything. Nick Vujicic is another world-famous celebrity with a disability and a founder of Life Without Limbs, an organization for people with physical disabilities. Nick was born in 1982 with no limbs. He claims that as a child he suffered ridicule and discrimination, but with time he learned to see his own potential. He is currently giving motivational talks around the world, has written several books, and is a regular on talk shows and TV programs. He became very famous when starring in the touching short film The Butterfly Circus. Tenor, musician, writer, and musical producer of Italian origin, Andrea Bocelli has sold more than 75 million records. He was born with congenital glaucoma that left him partially blind. something that did not prevent him from taking piano lessons until the age of 6. However, at the age of 12, he suffered a blow during a football game that left him completely blind. Endowed with a spirit of innate improvement, he decided to focus entirely on music, specifically on singing. He also studied law. Bocelli has received numerous awards on international prestige and even has a beach named after him on the Adriatic. At just 14, Jack Carroll appeared in Britain's Got Talent and finished as the runner-up. A wheelchair user, due to cerebral palsy, he's pursued an acting career and is known for using his cerebral palsy in his comedy. In 2012, he won a Pride of Britain award in the Teenager of Courage category. He's just 20 years old now, the youngest person on our list. Who knows what else he'll be able to achieve throughout his life. The renowned Indian classical dancer and TV actress Sudha Chandran met an accident at the age of 17 when she was traveling from Mumbai to Chennai. In the tragedy, she lost her right leg that had to be amputated. But the brave woman did not give her indomitable spirit and continued to fulfill her dream and profession with the help of Jaipur Foot. A film was made on the basis of a real life story called Nache Mayuri, where she played her character. She has been honored with numerous awards and has performed all over the world. She acts in a variety of TV serials. Robin Williams suffered from attention deficit hyperactivity disorder ADHD as a child. The actor and comedian Robin Williams won the Academy Award for Best Supporting Actor for his performance as therapist Dr. Sean Maguire in Good Will Hunting. He received 2 Emmy Awards, 6 Golden Globe Awards, 2 Screen Actors Guild Awards, and 5 Grammy Awards. Tom Cruise has a learning disability that alters the way the brain processes written material. He showed signs of a learning disability beginning in grade school. Says he finally learned to read as an adult through study technology. The Hollywood heartthrob star, he was severely dyslexic and has been nominated for 3 Academy Awards and has won 3 Golden Globe Awards. He started his career at the age of 19 and is immensely popular star with a long list of successful movies. If these famous people with disabilities share something besides their professional success, it is their ability of self-improvement. The lives of most of them have not been easy, and precisely because of that, they are an example and inspiration. Did you know? Of the 1 billion population of persons with disabilities, 80% live in developing countries. An estimated 40% of older people aged 60 years and over are people with disabilities. 1 in every 5 women is likely to experience disability in her life, while 1 in every 10 children is a child with disability. Persons with disabilities in the world are among the hardest hit by COVID-19. Each year since 1992, a variety of events are held in many countries. Disability Day is used for holding discussions, forums, and campaigns relating to disability. And communities are encouraged to organize meetings, talks, and even performances in their local areas. Disability inclusion is an essential condition to upholding human rights, sustainable development, and peace and security. It is also central to the promise of the 2030 Agenda for Sustainable Development to leave no one behind. The commitment to realizing the rights of persons with disabilities is not only a matter of justice, it is an investment in a common future. Inspiration, a term often used when an able-bodied individual witnesses a person with a disability competing or participating in a challenging activity despite a physical impairment. If they can do it, so can you. What's your excuse?